My name is Jeremiah Wilkinson, and I'm here at the Concrete Protectors Workshop. And I just wanted to say that I'm very glad to be here, and I'm honored to be here at this time. I've learned a lot more than I knew before, and I feel that all that they've shown me these last couple of days will help me gain more exposure and just become more of a benefactor within my community. I feel like I've gotten a lot of experience to the point to whereas I can go out and be successful and maybe teach someone else what I've been told or been shown. The concrete protectors, they are there more than just for a workshop. They're there after the fact. They have people that will help you to gain more exposure for your business, to help you grow your own business. And if you haven't thought about having your own business, they're there to help you, encourage you to become your own boss and become your own business owner. They're there for sales support. They're there to generate the sales. They're there to help you go about your daily operations. They're there to help you figure out your finances and quotes of what you should charge for different jobs. And they'll also do that for you. They'll also send you out on jobs. They'll go find the leads for you and help you gain the exposure. So without concrete protectors right now in my life, I don't know where I would be. I would just be pretty much chasing my tail and just trying to figure things out on my own. But now, because I became to concrete protectors, I have more structure, I have more motivation, and I have a team that's going to back me, not just to show me, but they'll be there to guide me through the way. And for that, I'm very, very grateful and thankful. And you should become part of the Concrete Protectors Network as well.